Hi folks, Northwest Saws here. Today I've got a Stihl 031 AV chainsaw for you. I've just recently serviced this saw. Has a lot of new parts, running really good. Has a couple of cool features. Has a dual port muffler. Also has a new old stock fan housing and a new old stock tank housing. Been sitting on the shelf for quite a while, but they look pretty nice still. These were manufactured in the 70s and 80s, and for this particular saw, it's got some scuffed paint here and there on the side and on the bottom, a little bit off the top, but otherwise it's pretty good. At some point, the previous owner dropped the saw and dented it underneath, had a little hole, it leaked a little bit. Pretty crappy patch job, but I redid it with some POR 15, doesn't leak anymore. It turned out really nice. And also, previous owner did a pretty big oops on the chain, went way too deep into the teeth, and subsequently turned a chain that had about 80% life in it down to about 40%. It's good now, cuts real well, bar's in really good shape, and this is a pretty nice run and roll saw. It's at 130 psi, which is okay. Passed all vacuum tests, but why don't we test it out and you can see for yourself.